This is the replacement filter that I use for my fridge. I have a Whirlpool fridge. It also says that it's compatible with Maytag, Amana, Jenn Air, KitchenAid, and then also just some of the specific systems and models right there. And then you can see here it does reduce 28 contaminants, and this is what it reduces, and overall just makes the water taste better. It does say to replace these every 6 months. Some fridges have a indicator that says if the filter needs to be replaced or not. I did have a technician out once, and he did tell me that they tend to say that they need to be replaced more than they actually need to be. That was his opinion, so just wanted to share that. And to replace it, you would just take off this purple top right here, and then you would insert it where your filter goes. And for me, it's on the bottom of my fridge right here. Just opens up like that. That's my old one. And then it does show you the direction that you should put it, so you can see how the current one is and how the new one is. So very easy to do. So if you're looking for a new filter, I've used this one a few times and it's great.